In this video, we're going to talk about Alinea Invest. Is it worth it for you or not? So, Alinea Invest is an investing app designed primarily for beginners. It is focused on themes investing, guided portfolios, and a simple mobile experience rather than advanced trading features. So, you'll need to note that it's an app designed for iPhone only. It's not available on Android or PC yet, so if you have an iPhone, you'll be able to use it. For now, at least, it's because it's available only on iPhone. And is it worth it? Of course, it is worth if you are new to investing, if you want just a simple application, or if you would like investing in themes and basically curated portfolios, and maybe if you don't need advanced charting or active trading tools. But is it worth it for you? It would not be worth it if you want some advanced stock analysis and if you trade basically frequently, and if you need some complex order types. Of course, also it will not be worth for you if you want professional grade research tools. Because Alinea main selling point is making investing easier for beginners throughout the guided and investing themes for portfolios. As you can see here in their main website, so it's every second your money sits in saving accounts, it's dying slow death, and etc. Basically, the main features of this website is the themed investing, which is instead of research or searching example the thousands of stocks, you can basically browse themes such as AI, clean energy, technology as an example, or even healthcare. Of course, they do have also like fractional shares, but you don't always need enough money to buy a full share. You can invest smaller amounts of mini stocks if you want to. Of course, if you are looking to invest in something like specific, you have some specific criteria, or you don't want to invest, in example, in specific stocks, maybe you have some principles to follow. Of course, you can make your search about what you're investing first at, then you can go and invest in those stocks or not. So for the research, you'll have to do it on your own, as I said, because it doesn't have many research tools that you can search. As example, if this is good for me to invest, if this is aligned with my principles as any person you are. So yeah, that should be it for me in this video. Thank you for watching and goodbye.